Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation, is no ordinary celestial body. It is massive, unstable, and on the verge of an astronomical event that could span entire galaxies. The erratic behavior and unprecedented decline of the star in late 2019 and early 2020 sent excitement and concern into the scientific community. Could Betelgeuse, an enigmatic giant, be on the verge of a spectacular supernova explosion? And if so, what would that mean for us on Earth? Betelgeuse, also known as Alpha Orionis, has long been a subject of wonder and speculation. This giant star, whose diameter could exceed the orbit of Jupiter if it were placed in the center of our solar system, is at the end of its life. Its sheer size and variability of brightness have fascinated astronomers for centuries, but recent events have added new urgency and mystery to the study of this celestial giant. When we look at the night sky, Betelgeuse stands out not only for its brightness, but also for its potential to trigger one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring phenomena in the universe, a supernova explosion. The mere thought of witnessing such an event in one's life excites the imagination and raises deep questions. What would that look like? How would this affect our planet? And most importantly, when will it happen? In late 2019, Betelgeuse began to dim, losing up to 60% of its brightness in a few months. This extraordinary event, called the Great Dimming, has scientists and astronomers searching for an explanation. Was this a precursor to an impending supernova or just an unusual but harmless variation in the star's behavior? The mystery deepened as Betelgeuse's brightness returned to normal, but it became brighter than ever in early 2020. This unpredictable behavior was unprecedented, leaving experts baffled and the world on edge. The possibility of Betelgeuse exploding is not just an academic curiosity. A supernova of this size would be visible from Earth, perhaps even during the day. This would create a light show that would last for weeks or months, the likes of which had not been seen in recorded history. But beyond the fear and wonder lie potential dangers. What effect would radiation and space debris have on our planet? Could such an explosion affect the delicate balance of life on Earth? The story of Betelgeuse is not just about the possibility of destruction. It is also a story of cosmic evolution, a reminder of the transience of even the most massive stars. Betelgeuse is relatively young, only about 8 to 10 million years old, but its rapid consumption of nuclear fuel means it is already at the end of its life. When it finally exhausts its hydrogen and helium, it begins fusing heavier elements, causing a catastrophic collapse and the inevitable supernova explosion. As we continue to observe Betelgeuse, we are on the verge of a monumental discovery. Sophisticated telescopes and instruments are trained on the star in the hope of catching the first signs of its imminent explosion. Every flicker of light, every change in brightness is scrutinized for clues. The scientific community is full of anticipation, knowing that Betelgeuse could explode in 1,000 years, a few thousand years, or maybe even tomorrow. Physicist Brian Cox emphasized the importance of understanding such cosmic events. He warns that humanity may be the only sentient species in our galaxy, and the loss of our civilization would have catastrophic consequences for the entire cosmos. Cox explores the delicate balance that has allowed life to thrive on Earth, suggesting that precise events over billions of years have made our planet just right to support life. Our Sun, the star at the center of our solar system, has remained relatively stable for nearly 4 billion years. It converts 4 million tons of matter into energy every second through nuclear fusion and is the main source of energy for life on Earth. However, even our Sun is in the middle of its lifespan, and scientists estimate that it will evolve into a red giant in about 5 billion years. As the Sun expands, it eventually evaporates, causing dramatic changes in our solar system. But Betelgeuse works in much less time. Massive stars like Betelgeuse live fast and die young, quickly depleting their fuel reserves. Although Betelgeuse is less than 10 million years old, its useful life is already coming to an end. This inevitability increases the tension around his behavior. Would we see this grand finale? And if we do, what does it teach us about the life cycles of stars and the fate of our universe? As Betelgeuse's brightness fluctuates, astronomers are reminded of the vast complexity of the cosmos. Stars like Betelgeuse are not stationary. They are dynamic and constantly changing. The recent dimming event is believed to have been caused by a combination of several factors, including surface activity and the ejection of a large dust cloud that temporarily blocked its light. These fluctuations are part of the natural life cycle of variable stars, but Betelgeuse's dimming was unprecedented. The excitement surrounding the possible explosion of Betelgeuse is palpable. Although this event does not pose a direct threat to Earth, it would provide an unprecedented opportunity for scientific research. Astronomers could observe the supernova up close, improving our understanding of stellar evolution and the processes that shape our universe. The light from such an explosion would travel through space and reach Earth as a brilliant cosmic firework. Imagine looking up into the night sky and seeing another moon, a new shaft of light created by the Betelgeuse supernova. This light shines for weeks or even months, outshining every other star and possibly rivaling the brightness of the moon. It would be a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle, a reminder of the immense power and beauty of the universe. As we await the possible explosion of Betelgeuse, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Our planet is in the golden age, where the conditions are right for life to flourish. The precise events that shaped our solar system, from the formation of the sun to the evolution of the atmosphere, created an environment conducive to life. Understanding the life cycles of stars like Betelgeuse can provide valuable information about the conditions for life elsewhere in the universe. Betelgeuse's possible supernova also raises questions about the future of humanity. If our sun were to undergo major changes, how would we adapt? Could we find refuge on other planets or moons in our solar system? Scientists like Dr. Alan Stern, chief scientist of NASA's New Horizons mission, speculate that dwarf planets like Pluto may become habitable worlds in the distant future. As the sun evolves, its outer layers expand, creating new environments that can potentially support life. At the same time, Betelgeuse is a sign of curiosity and wonder. Its unpredictable behavior is a reminder of the dynamic nature of the cosmos. Every change in brightness, every flicker of light is part of a larger puzzle. As astronomers continue to monitor this fascinating star, they are not only looking for signs of an imminent explosion, they try to unravel the mysteries of the universe itself. The potential explosion of Betelgeuse is a story of foresight, mystery, and scientific discovery. It captures our imagination and makes us look up at the stars with wonder and curiosity. As we stand on the threshold of a monumental event, we are reminded of our place in the universe and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth.
The story of Betelgeuse is far from over. Whether it explodes tomorrow or thousands of years from now, it will continue to be a source of excitement and exploration. Looking up into the night sky reminds us of the vastness of space and the endless possibilities it offers. The Betelgeuse mystery is a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe and our ongoing quest to understand it. As we await the possible explosion of Betelgeuse, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Our planet is in the golden age, where the conditions are right for life to flourish. The precise events that shaped our solar system, from the formation of the sun to the evolution of the atmosphere, created an environment conducive to life. Understanding the life cycles of stars like Betelgeuse can provide valuable information about the conditions for life elsewhere in the universe. Betelgeuse's possible supernova also raises questions about the future of humanity. If our sun were to undergo major changes, how would we adapt? Could we find refuge on other planets or moons in our solar system? Scientists like Dr. Alan Stern, chief scientist of NASA's New Horizons mission, speculate that dwarf planets like Pluto may become habitable worlds in the distant future. As the sun evolves, its outer layers expand, creating new environments that can potentially support life. At the same time, Betelgeuse is a sign of curiosity and wonder. Its unpredictable behavior is a reminder of the dynamic nature of the cosmos. Every change in brightness, every flicker of light is part of a larger puzzle. As astronomers continue to monitor this fascinating star, they're not just looking for signs of an imminent explosion, the universe itself. Betelgeuse's allure lies not only in its potential for a grand cosmic event, but also in its role as a window into stellar evolution. By studying this red supergiant, astronomers can glean insights into the life cycles of massive stars, the processes that lead to their ultimate demise, and the subsequent creation of new cosmic elements through supernova explosions. These elements, forged in the hearts of dying stars, are the building blocks of planets and life itself. In a sense, Betelgeuse is a testament to the interconnectedness of the cosmos, where the death of one star seeds the birth of new worlds. As we continue to watch Betelgeuse with bated breath, we are reminded of the importance of curiosity and exploration in expanding our understanding of the universe. The star's unpredictable behavior is a cosmic riddle, challenging scientists to push the boundaries of their knowledge and technology. Each observation brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of Betelgeuse and, by extension, the mysteries of the stars that light our skies. Whether Betelgeuse explodes tomorrow or continues its erratic dance for centuries to come, it remains a powerful symbol of the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the universe and our enduring quest to comprehend its vast wonders.